So come on and finish my all but my business. I'm ready to save the world. I'm taking misery, making
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Before starting, first go to 3-line option and enable low quality preview. Now create a new project. Let's give it a name, On My Way Edit. Now import a video which I have given in the description. Extract the audio and delete video clip.
so come on and finish my all but my business. I'm ready to save the world. I'm taking misery, making
Now you have to mark the beat. It's a little bit complicated, but if you try it will definitely work. Otherwise, I have given an 𝘀𝗀𝗯𝗀𝗃, where I will provide you this beat mark.
So come on and finish my all but my business.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Perfect. Now open screen recorder to record the screen. Start recording and play the song.
So come on and finish my all but my business. I'm ready to save the world. I'm taking misery, making
Stop recording. Now import recorded video. Increase the scale of the video. Just follow me. Now you have to match the recorded clip timing with the editing path timing. Take your time, no hurries. You can see now both look same. Now split the video clip in all the beat mark. Don't start counting the beat. It may take your whole life to count. Hee, just kidding. Now let's create shake effect. To create shake effect, copy any one of the layer first. Go back and create a new project. Paste the copied layer. Add an effect called oscillate. Change angle to 90 degrees and frequency around 1.35. In magnitude, give to keyframe, and at the starting and another at the end. At first keyframe, change the magnitude around to 150. Add zoom blur. Strength around 0.05. Now add motion blur. Add last effect, exposure and gamma. Give to keyframe on exposure. At first keyframe, give exposure around 1.12. Copy all the effect and go back to our main project. Now what you have to do is paste that effect in all the layer except first layer. Do not play the video, otherwise project crash, so simply export the video. Try to export in 1080p. In case it failed, try 720p. It takes some time. Take your time while exporting.
So don't I'm finished all but my business is ready to save the world. I'm taking misery, making
Save the video. Now let's give color grading and some animation. Go back and create a new project. Import just exported clip. I have given you color grading XML in description. Now export it. After export, go back and duplicate your beatmark project and open it. Select all the layer and delete it. Import just exported 𝘀𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. You can escape this animation part, but if you want to learn then, watch carefully. You can do it according to your like, just take some idea how to do. Hope this video is able to make you understand how it make. Now just try it yourself. It's not difficult. Thank you guys for watching.